Access the best Oracle Cloud talent for free at Panameer.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Panameer's skill score to compare two resources independent of their rate. First, let's start by defining Panameer's skill score. Skill score is a proprietary ranking which allows Panameer buyers to compare talent based on skills independent of rate. Now, let's explain how skill score is calculated. Skill score is calculated by summing 8 independent variables, which each have been weighed based on their relevance to future performance and summarized into one number. Think of it like a credit score for Oracle Cloud skills. Then, how is skill score used? Each resource profile has a skill score and a rate. Buyers should be looking at rates relative to skill scores. So what's the point of having a skill score? The goal of a skill score is to give the buyer the best value for the money being spent, but also for the resources to be compared and selected on the basis of their skills in combination with their rate. This levels the playing field globally. For example, if there are two resources with relatively close skill scores, but very different rates, having the skill score will help in the decision process. And finally, where is the skill score visible? Well, it's clearly visible on every Panameer profile, both in the thumbnail as well as the detailed profile page. Okay, that's the end of this video, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your Panameer journey.